Catch up with you guys today. Now, the key text that I wanted to use will be found in the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 12, verse 1. It says, remember your Creator the days of your youth, before the days of trouble come and the years approach, when you will say, I find no pleasure in them. Now, I'm going to use this word youth in the form of an acronym. The first letter is Y, and I've selected the word yearning. Now, yearning means want or desire. The word that is used if you want to achieve, if you want to attain anything that you will go after, whatever goal that you have set. If you have this thing yearning, if you yearn for it, you will be able to succeed. You will be able to get it. The next word is O for opportunity. Now, opportunity, I'm going to use a very powerful quote, and I've written this quote down. It says, success is where preparation and opportunity meet. Very powerful. That means that you just keep practicing your guitar, practicing your piano, practicing your singing, whatever it is. Because when the opportunity arises, when the opportunity comes, you are prepared for it. And if you're prepared for it, you will be successful. So it's a very powerful quote with opportunity. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet. Then the word you is for unique, meaning being the only one of its kind. Unlike anything else, we're all different. There's about, 8 billion of us? Well, you know what? When you really look at it, we all have different fingerprints. Why? Because God is so into us. We're all different. And that means that He wants to really spend time with each and every one of us. And T's for talent. Talent is something that we particularly get and good at because the way that we practice. Remember in the Bible, it talks about 5 talents, 2 talents, and 1 talent. The guy was given 5, he went and invested his talent, got the other 5. The guy with 2, he went and invested and do some trading, do whatever. He got another 2. But the guy with 1 talent, he went and buried it. And I want you to know that if you bury the talent that you have, God's going to give it to someone else. We don't want that talent. And the last thing is hope. Now, Richard, when you are struggling and thinking about giving up, remember the power of hope. Let your hope, not your hurts, shape your future. Right? Don't allow anything to come and ruin your relationship with God. Right? You're the best that God has created, and be the best person. And I love you guys very much. And go out there and conquer the world for God. I love you guys very much. God be with the young people that we have, Lord, within their lives. Burn a special fire of inspiration, Lord, within their hearts, so they may be inspired to serve you and give whatever they have for you. Thank you. Amen. Love you.